Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa uyaxolisa kulabo abangakayiboni intuthuko. Asikubingelele sifuna sikwamukela nanganje channel ehamba phambili indaba zakabhoqo ngabe umuntu sacela wenza ubulungiswa uciphize usubscribe button uciphize nebell khona uzobona amavidiyo amasha namaclip esiwafakayo kule channel. Umongameli wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika uCyril Ramaphosa uthembisa ukuthi kulohulumeni wakhe kuningi abantu abazokubona njengoba nje ethembisa amanzi ugesi nokunye okuningi uthi uyaxolisa kulabo ngempela abangaze bayibona intuthuko. Nansi iclip esihlanganisile zizwele.
What I would say to a person who has been discouraged in the past because of failures of service delivery, I would say they should look at the new developments. The developments on infrastructure are ticking up. There's a great improvement. We said at the beginning of the year that we are deploying 1 trillion rand, and we're beginning to see that money now beginning to flow. 2 weeks ago, I went to launch a water project, and 67 such water projects were being launched throughout the country to deliver more water to our people. Major and mega water projects are now underway in various parts of the country. And it's not only limited to metropolitan areas, it's also going through rural areas where there was no water. Water is beginning to flow. Even in villages, water is beginning to be delivered on the sidewalks of where people live, and in time water in the rural areas will be delivered in their homes, and in the urban areas we're solving the problems of reservoirs and reticulation. So there's a lot of activity that is taking place. And on the electricity side, where there's been load reduction, because we've now gotten rid of load shedding, where there's been load reduction, we are solving that. And Minister of Electricity and Energy is working on it fervently. And we are ridding our country, for instance, of illegal mining, and corruption is now being addressed, and the corrupt police are being dealt with. So all in all, things are beginning to move forward.
Iyona ke nakanjene ke inkulumo lesihlanganisile kamongameli uCyril Ramaphosa weqembu le-ANC. Ungashiya ukuphala kwakho kanjani kwi-comment section sizwe nokuthi uthini njengoba ngempela ke uMantamela exolisa ethembisa futhi ukuthi ngempela ke kulo hulumeni wakhe uza nolukhulu uthembisa amanzi ugesi kuningi okulungiswa ngempela uzoyithatha iNingizimu Afrika ibeke kwelinye izinga ngokusho kwakhe. Ungashiya ke na ukuphawula kwi-comment section. Dango #indaba zikabhoqo #sizwa ngawe.